Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about the shell feature in SolidWorks. So a shell feature takes a body and hollows it out for you. You could choose the faces where you want it to start hollowing out. And it's good for, if you want to create any like thin-walled surfaces for different objects. So in the top plane, we're going to go ahead and sketch a box. Okay, so we have this box here, and then you could click the shell tool. So this will tell you the thickness of your shell, and then here you want to choose the bodies you're going to be shelling away. So once you click that, you see that it removes all the material, right? And if you come here and edit your shell, you could see you could change the thickness, right? So you could have a thicker shell. You could come back in here and maybe remove some faces, but I'm gonna keep that. You can also shell outwards. You can see what happens for that. So you could either go in or out depending on how you want to dimension it, but that's more of like a style or preference. And then you have a multi-thickness setting. So this one, maybe you have like um, different sizes for different parts. That's like a different option you could choose. So those are just like special settings. They didn't actually apply right now. But that pretty much summarizes the shell feature for you, so you could go ahead and play around with that. And if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.